Hi everyone, welcome to Explore Secondary Math Topics with Teacher Ben. So today we will be touching on logarithm and exponential. So this is under additional mathematics. So let's start to look at the question. So I'm able to extract one of the school question. So this is from Jurong Secondary 2018. It's actually a mid-year paper, so I will call it WA2. So extract from question 15. Okay, so this is a logarithm and exponential question. So let's start to analyze it. So now for part A, they want you to solve log base 3, then 1 over x, and it will be equal to, so they want you to solve for the value of x. Now, when you look at logarithm, you have to recall the rules for logarithm. So when I look at this, so one of the thing I'm thinking will be using this rule. So log base a b equal to c. Now I prefer to remember as a b c so that it's easy to remember the rules. So what I do is this base a, right, when you bring it over to the other side, so actually logarithm is the inverse of exponential function. So when you bring it over, it will become b equal to a to the power of c. Okay, so I'm going to use this rule and apply for part A. So for part A, so log base 3 1 over x is equal to 2. So this 3 will be my A, this is my B, and this is my C. So let me just indicate so that it's easy for you to see. So this is our A, so this is the B, and this is the C. Okay, so I'm going to shift this A up and push this 2 up as the power. So it will be 1 over x is equal to 3 to the power of 2. Next, make x the subject. Okay, so you can actually do a cross multiply, and this one can bring it down. So you're going to get x is equal to 1 over 3 square. So you're going to get x equal to 1 over 9. Okay, so once you get this answer, what you can do is you can actually do a check. So you can actually substitute your x back here. So let me do a simple check. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get log base 3 1 over 9, which is our 1 over 3 square, right? So it's equal to 2. So let's do something to this. So I'm going to get 1 log base 3. This one I can write as 1 over 3 square, right? So it will be equal to 2. So this part I will bring it to log base 3. So it will be 1 actually divided by 1 over 3 square equal to 2. So here it can be written as keep change flip. So I get 1 times 3 square equal to 2. So this will give me log base 3 to the power of 2 equal to 2. Now here I can use the power rule. So log a b c. So this c I can bring it down. So this will give me c log base a b. Okay, so I'll do the same thing. I bring it down. So I'm gonna get 2 log 3 base 3 equal to 2. Now this is 1, right? This is actually our 1. So in the end I'll get 2. So my answer is actually correct. So this is what I'm going to do to check my solution. Okay. Now, so next we move on to part B. So they say that this is actually log base 10. LG is equal to log base 10. So x will be equal to A. Log base 10 y will be equal to B. So we have to express this LG 1000 x squared over y in terms of A and B. So there are certain things we can do to this. So we can think about our product rule and quotient rule. Okay, so let's explain what I mean. So we can have log A B plus log A C. This will give me log base A. Then I'm going to get B times C. Okay, so this is what we call a product rule. So if you look at the top part here, this 1000 x squared is at 1000, it can be your B, then x squared will be your C. So we can actually use this. Okay, now I noticed that a lot of students can recall this way in terms of the rules, but if I do a reverse, they may have some issue. So what I mean is, if I give them log a and with a bracket b c, they may have difficulty to actually recall log base ab plus log base ac. So when you do your understanding and try to memorize some of the rules, right, try to do the reverse also, so that it helps you to able to capture this kind of question. Okay, there's another one that I need to look at, which is base a b minus log base a c. So this is a quotient rule. Okay, so I'm gonna get b over c. So I'm gonna apply, because my y is actually a denominator, right? So which means that my y is actually my c. So with this, we can start to attempt the question. So LG 1000 x squared over y. This can be written as LG 1000 plus LG x squared. Okay, so the whole thing we can minus away LG y, right? So this LG 1000 can be written as LG 10 to the power of 3. Okay, now x squared we can straight away apply. Okay, but all I do is we bring out the power first. So this will give me 2LGX minus LGY. So this will give me, bring out the power, so 3LG10 plus this will give me 2A. Now y will give me b. Okay, so here LG10 is 1, so this will give me 3 plus 2A minus b. Okay, so this will be the answer that you can use for part B by applying the product rules and also the quotient rule. Okay, so now next, let's try to solve for part C. Now this one we're going to use ln. So ln means that we are using log base e. So in definition, right, ln function is actually our log base e. Okay, and we can use calculator because they want, in this case they want the answer in exact terms. Okay, so part C, what we do is use ln x minus 1 equal to 3. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we can actually use this rule here to apply for this. So as I also mentioned earlier, I say that ln is actually log base e, the natural number. So we can shift this up and push 3 up as a power. So I'm going to get x minus 1 is equal to e to the power of 3. Okay, then bring my minus 1 over. So I will get x equal to e to the power of 3. Let me just write properly. E to the power of 3 plus 1. Okay, so now what I will do is I can try to check whether my answer makes sense. So let's substitute my x equal to e to the power of 3 plus 1. So I'm going to get ln e to the power of 3 plus 1 minus 1. So I'm going to see whether my left side, after substituting e to the power of 3 plus 1, do I get 3? So let's simplify what is inside the bracket here. So I'm going to get ln e to the power of 3. So plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel out. So this is the power rule, bring down the power. So I'm going to get 3 ln e. So this ln e is actually equal to 1. So this will give me 3, and you match to my right side, which is equal to 3. Okay, with this I know that this will be the correct answer. That's all for this question. So don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel, so Conceptual Thinkers, and you can also follow us on our Facebook, Conceptual Thinkers Mathematics and English Hub. So we also started with our TikTok channel, so the ID will be Conceptual Thinkers SG. Okay, so thank you for your time. So feel free to share any question that you have or any queries that you want us to get back to you. So with this, that comes to the end for this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.